Being able to select features effectively and accurately is very important. The 3D manipulation tools within DesignSpark Mechanical, namely Pull, Move and Fill, all start with the selection of a feature in the model. Building skills in this area will set a good foundation for successful creative designing. Before we get started on selecting, let's have a quick look at the spin, pan and zoom tools. These will help you access the model and make selecting easier. The default settings mean that you can spin the model by pressing the middle mouse button and dragging, whilst Shift with middle mouse button and drag will pan the model, and Control with middle mouse button and vertical dragging will zoom. Zooming can also be achieved by scrolling the middle mouse button. Default settings for these tools can be changed in the Options navigation menu. When working in the design screen, don't forget to check the text display in the design frame at the bottom right-hand side. The two displays will confirm what you are hovering over and also what has been selected. In line with other applications, the Control key can be held down to multiple select or deselect items. Deselecting all can be quickly achieved by either clicking in white space or pressing the Escape key.